Comet K provisional answer key is releasing through the official website. Along with the answer key, Comet K will also release the response sheet. The response sheet will show the answers you marked in the exam. This will help you compare and estimate your expected score. Meanwhile, if you think any response is wrong on the provisional answer key, then you can challenge the answer key. To download the answer key, you have to visit the official website cometk.org. Then click on the Comet K UGET answer key link available on the homepage. Then log in using your user ID and password. Once logged in, the answer key PDF along with the question paper will be displayed. Download and save the PDF for reference. Now, let's understand how to calculate your score using the answer key. Match your responses with the correct answers in the key. For every correct answer, you will get +1 mark. There is no negative markings, so incorrect or unanswered questions get 0 marks. So your total score will be equal to the number of correct answers. If you find any discrepancy in the answer key, you can raise an objection. To raise objection, you have to visit the official website and log into your account. Then select the question you want to challenge and submit your answer with valid supporting documents. You need to pay ₹500 per question to submit the objection. This fee will be refunded only if your objection is accepted. After reviewing all the objections, Comet K will release the final answer key. The result will be declared based on the final answer key. Candidates who qualify will move on to the counseling process. So check out your approximate score. In case your Comet K score is not as per your expectations, then just WhatsApp Comet K at 8585951111 and we will suggest you best colleges accepting low Comet K scores. Like, share and subscribe to Shiksha.com channel for more such related updates.